Okay, so you're gonna take a piece of hair. This is for all those that ask me how to notch. First of all, you wanna see how thick that hair is. You look at it, you see, is it an even bunch of trees? Now look at, you see the thick part right here, right? You see a little thickness here, a little thickness here. So you're gonna really not do it where the bend is. See that bend right there? We're gonna go over the bend, because especially you don't want a piece sticking straight up. If we do it here, it's gonna poke straight up. You don't want that, so you want it up here. It's thicker right here. You take a little piece, you look, a little piece needs to be there, little piece, little. I'm going up. I need more here because it's thicker. Okay, you took that extra hair out of there. What it does is it softens and lightens that hair. Now I want to show you with the bangs, right? So we did that piece. I want to get to the bang so you can see how thick her bang is? It's so important to make bangs lighter. Sometimes they're just too heavy. She's got all this hair that just falls in her face. Okay, so we want to look here too. You see the trees? See how there's more over here? Again, she's thicker on this side. Look where the bend is. Just little tiny baby pieces. And then you look at it and it's so much more even. You might need to do a little bit more over here. You have more space. So the other thing is what I want to do is I want to make this softer here. I want that to be really soft. Make sure you have space in between your finger and the hair. Make sure it's like soft. Do you see how easy that flows? Now I want to show you if I cut a straight line what that's going to look like. I don't want to do right here because I want to finish teaching the thing, but I'm going to do it in a piece back here just to cut a straight line to see the difference of what it's going to look like. Okay, look, straight line. Now I want you to see that is so rigid. Now look, when I try to move that hair, it's just rigid. You can see the lines more. You need to soften. That's why point cutting is so big. You take a point, you want to make little peaks in the hair that will be softer. Now I even would go more. You could pull that other hair, go deeper. You could go deeper. You're only moving your thumb. I'm moving this only. I'm not just like this. I'm intentional. Close, pull out. Close. Right here, I want a little bit more. So much softer. And now I could even go a little further if I wanted to like make a little bit better points on the tips of that hair. See how there's no straight lines anymore on that hair? There you go, guys. That's what you're looking for, softness. Right? So now let me go to the next section in the front. Okay, look at that. Now I know she angled her hair. This is important to know. You want to learn what was the last haircut that was done and what did it look like. Look at, see, I pulled this straight up. It's a V here. It's a V. Comes this way, this way. That means that she angled this hair like to do either a curtain bang on this side. So I could make that curtain bang stronger. And if it's too thick, again, I could go in there and I could texturize that. Now let's say I want to keep that curtain bang, but I need a little softness more to it. I'm gonna look and see, now you're gonna do it up higher. Just little tiny notches. Notch it, see where it's thick. It's a little thicker right here. Little baby notches. Now look at, do you see those notches in that hair? You do not see them at all. But the hair will be lighter and fuller. It will be softer. It's gonna flow better. It's gonna lay better. Now if I want to do a curtain bang here, you could do one of two ways. You could turn it this way and cut it. Now what happens is, now listen, you know I'm doing a straight cut, but I'm over directing it. When you over direct, you're already layering that. Now watch, when I pull it back, it has a slight tiny layer to it because I pulled it that way. And I don't really like necessarily the way that looks. That's why I don't do it that way. Most of the time I won't. because I feel like it just doesn't layer it enough. So I like to go just straight on the face. Take it. You want to see where you want that layer. I want it right here, right where her nose is, and I'm coming down. Just go straight up. Straight up. And I will soften it myself. Little tiny pieces. Now listen, I want that even more. I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, oh, I just want it a little stronger, so I'm even gonna come up higher. You just go that one step higher. Okay, now look at that nice angle. And now when she pushes it back, it'll be a cuter little curtain bang. See how it goes naturally? That's your tip.